Morning, all of you. Today we have discussed about the topic Environmental Protection and Prevention Acts CPCB and MPCB norms and responsibilities. CPCB मतलब सेंट्रल पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड एंड एमपीसीबी मतलब महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कंट्रोल पॉल्यूशन बोर्ड्स। ये क्वेश्चन हर साल पूछा जाता है कि सीपीसीबी सेंट्रल पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड and MPCB means Maharashtra Pollution Control Board। तो environmental law plays a crucial role in the providing a framework for regulating the use of environment and its management. In India, several acts were passed from 1972 to 1986 and various amendments thereafter to protect the environment, regulate sources use, protect biodiversity, pollution control, conserve forest. India is the first nation in the world to have made protection and conservation of environment in its constitution in 1976. The Ministry of Environment and Forest is the nodal agency in the administrative structure of the central government for the planning, promotion, coordination and overseeing the implementation of India's environmental and forestry policies and programs. Along with central and state pollution control boards have been constituted to provide technical support to in its functioning. So, Central Pollution Control Boards CPCB. The Central Pollution Control Board organizes was constituted in September 1974 under the Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974. Further, Central Pollution Control Board was the power and function under the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. It serves as a field formation and also provides technical services to the Ministry of Environment and Forest of the provision of the Environment Protection Act 1986. Principal functions of the Central Pollution Control Board as spelled out in the Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974 and the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1981 to promote cleanliness of streams and wells in different areas of the states by prevention, control and abatement of water pollutions. To improve the quality of air, to prevent, control or abate air pollution in the country. Then functions and powers of the central board at the national level. Advise the central government on any matter concerning prevention and control of water and air pollution and improvement of the quality of air. Plan and cause to be executed a nationwide program for the prevention, control or abatement of water and air pollution. Provide technical assistance and guidance to the state boards. Carry out and sponsor investigation and research relating to problem of water and air pollution and for their prevention, control or abatement. Plan and organize training of person engaged in program on the prevention, control or abatement of water and air pollution. Organize through mass media a comprehensive mass awareness program on the prevention, control or abatement of water and air pollution. Collect and publish technical and statistical data relating to water and air pollution and the major device for their effective prevention, control or abatement. Prepare manuals, codes and guidelines relating to treatment and disposal of sewage and make effluents as well as for stock gas cleaning devices, stocks and ducts. Lay down, modify or annual in the consultation with the state government concerned the standards for stream or well and lay down standards for the quality of air and perform such other function as may be prescribed by the Government of India. As per the policy decision of the Government of India, the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, has delegated its powers and function under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act in 1974. The Water Prevention and Control Pollution Cess Act 1977 and the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 with respect to the Union territories to respective local administrative central pollution control boards along with its state pollution control boards are responsible for implementation of relating to prevention and control of environmental pollutions. Thence CPCP is the Central Pollution Control Board. Organization was constituted in September 1974 under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Then to promote of streams and wells in different areas. Then the advice the central government or any matter concerning prevention and control of water and the pollution and improvement of the quality of air. Thence power and function under the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Thence Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Thence Ministry of Environment and Forest of the Provision of the Environment Protection Act 1986 to improve the quality of air and to prevent the control or abate air pollution in the country. Thence to advise function and power of the central board at the national levels, advise the central government or any matter concerning prevention and control of water and air pollution and improvement of the quality of air. Then next, collect, compiles and publish technical and statistical data relating to water and air pollution and the measures device for their effective prevention, control or uh, abatements. Then to collect and disseminate information relating to water or air pollutions, to a plan comprehensive program for the prevention, control or abatement of water or air in pollutions, functions and power of state pollution control boards, to collaborate with the central board in organizing the training and mass education program. Power to obtain information and of entry and inspections, deals with prohibition on use of stream or well for disposal of polluting matter, etc. Power to give instruction for ensuring standards for emission from automobiles. Power of board to make application to court for restraining person from causing air pollutions. Empowers the board to take samples of effluents and procedure to be followed in connection therewith. Then next topic remaining we will take tomorrow.